What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Bugani M83 wireless waterproof speaker. Stay tuned. Alright, here is the Bugani M83 wireless Bluetooth speaker. It is waterproof, portable power, HD sound, use TF card, super long standby. Here's the features, the specifications. So let's go ahead and open up this box. It's got a flip top, so you just go ahead and flip it up here at the top. And of course, first off, you're going to see the speaker handle. First up, you have the 3.5mm headphone accessory. Also the charging cable. And then right here we're going to go ahead and take out the speaker to show you what the speaker looks like. You do get a user manual inside the box, and that's pretty much it, besides the 3.5mm cable and the USB charging port. This is a IPX5 waterproof. This explains how to use it. So let's go ahead and make our way to the speaker. It is lightweight with a little power. As you can see, here is a little carrying case. It is Bugani. Here is your speakers on the back. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is move it to the side so you can see there is your play, pause, fast forward, and rewind, and your power buttons. You've got your menu button, there's your power button, play, pause, menu, sync. You've got your volume up and down. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect this to a device so you can see how good this sounds. First off, I'm going to have to turn it to the side and turn the power button on. And then once it turns on, we'll go ahead and listen to that sound.
Ingredients. I go into the app and see what.
So if you're interested in this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that little notification button. Thanks for watching.